What's up everybody, Zen here, and today I will show you a nice video of a big dent I did on a trunk. It's gonna be a before and after video. Hope you like it. This nasty and deep dent was caused by backing in into something plastic, so no paint was damaged. I repaired this using a paintless dent repair technique, PDR. First, using cold glue, I was able to get the majority of the dent out, but still we had some big sharp spots left and big waves. Here you can see what we got after just using cold glue. Now it's time for a lot of blending, tapping down the high spots, tapping down the crowns, and just getting the whole panel up and down and making it flat. There is a lot of cuts in this video because I had to shorten the video down, otherwise it would be just too long. The whole playback is on double speed. Don't think I am that fast with pushing and tapping down. During the repair I didn't remove any of the emblems. It would be better if I could remove them, but I didn't because the car had to go back to the customer fast and we had no time to order new ones or even get this off and on. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification next to the subscribe button. That way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.